Alright guys, for this trek into DIY Tech, we're going to take another look at the Zumo tank that we added the Bluetooth control to. So, I'm going to show, I should have some video of this tank moving around. You can see there's a GoPro mount on top of there. It turns out the GoPro makes it top heavy, and so as it's trying to get over obstacles, it kind of wants to fall over on its top. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a mount for this Runcam 3S that I recently acquired on Facebook Marketplace. So cool place to find some equipment if you're looking for some inexpensive or less expensive equipment. There's a lot of stuff on there, but here we go. So I can grab a little coffee, make 2 or 3 measurements here. Let's see what we can do with this. And I think that'll do it. See what it looks like in the assembly. Alright, looks pretty good. I think we should match the color of the filament so we can get a good idea of what this looks like. And we're going to do yellow. Alright, not too bad. Yep, screws are in. Let's check movement. Boonk, boonk. Alright, so we have some adjustment there. Alright, I think we're ready to print this. And I just happen to have these screws in stock. So, yeah. Alright, let's take it to the slicer. Alright, let's take it to the printer. Okay, yeah, I know it's it's a mess back there, but yeah, I got a lot of projects going on. So check this out. Worked just like in the CAD drawing. All right, so I've seen this done on YouTube all the time. Don't know if it's gonna work here, but when you put things together, you just like drop them together and they go together. So I'm just gonna try it. Huh? What do you know? It worked. Check it out. That's cool. All right, let's go test it. All right, so I found this post-apocalyptic environment to run the testing at. I've got, I don't know if you can see it there. All right, so we're on my LG G8, and we have a multi-screen capabilities. So we're going to turn on the Wi-Fi for the camera. Connecting to the camera, and then all right, so we got the camera connected. Now we're going to hook up with the multi-window. We're going to hook up the Zumo tank, and you can see there that it's connecting. All right, so now I can see where I'm driving, and also record at the same time. So whoa, looks like that sand is too deep there, so we'll go this way. There we go, breaking away. Breaking free. Oh yeah. Maybe too apocalyptic, huh? Oh, let's see, look at that. Crazy. We're gonna have to get the other treads back on there for this one. Oh, that worked, huh? Moving the center of gravity, looks like moving the center of gravity worked. Alright, well, that's the test. Looks like we did it. Alright, so cool. So, it worked. One of the 2, 3, 4 improvements that I want to make, I think, is eventually get a pan tilt setup for this guy. I've got some micro servos in stock that we could use for that, and also we can add a cable here so that we can continuously charge the camera from the batteries. So charge the camera from the main batteries so that we don't run down the camera's battery, so we can keep recording. And yeah. All right, so that was fun. Now you guys see what you can do with a little Zumo chassis, some PLA, and a few other little components. The format of this video was a little bit different. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you want more technical videos like the ones I was doing before, or do you just want to see how everything comes together, in an overview like this? Yeah, just let me know in the comments, and we'll adjust accordingly. And like, subscribe, share, so we can keep all of this stuff going. And we'll see you in the next video.